Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going back into the Amazon tool deals, and these are going to be tools that are either on sale, tools that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or tools I find interesting and would like your guys' opinion on. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit more special with the Amazon tool deals. Usually I have a combination of different styles of tools and things like that, and in the past we've done top 5 or top 10 socket sets in all the drive sizes, and then I recently released one on some of the best wrench sets that you could find on Amazon. Today we're going to be looking at some of the best screwdriver sets. So I'm going to share a few 5 different sets with you guys, and then if you guys believe there's other sets on Amazon that are readily available, keep in mind not all brands and things are readily available on Amazon, especially for a good price. They're either hard to find on Amazon, or when they are on Amazon they're more expensive. So I tried to go with name brand ones that I've either used or know others that have used and have been extremely satisfied with, and included those. So if you guys believe there are other sets on here, please feel free to drop it down in the comments. Also keep in mind all of these sets, as well as many other tools that I suggest, will be linked down in the description for you guys underneath the tools and tools continued link. The first set we are looking at is the GearWrench 20-piece screwdriver set. This is their master set, and this is the new handle design, or newer handle design I should say, and since they released this, they've also released many different sets, much larger sets, but this one is still considered their 20-piece master set. This has 5 stars at 2,112 ratings, so rated very highly and rated quite a bit. This is $80. So I think that's a fantastic price. Anywhere from the $70 to $100 price range, I think this is a fantastic set. I have the discontinued version. If you can see this right here, this is the set that I have and still have, and I use it all the time. I've had very good experiences with it. Now this handle design is more of a round shape, so it's not the best set out there obviously, but it is a very good set for the price. The handles have held up well, the tips have held up well, the coatings, it's got like a brushed coating to it. You get a good variety. You get 2 stubbies, Phillips and flathead, and then you get 6 precision screwdrivers with rotating caps, and then you get 2 smaller screwdrivers, and then all of your other standard Phillips and flatheads. And the new version is the exact same thing. All they've done is upgraded their handle design. I want to say it's slightly more of a tri-lobe design than their old discontinued version. It's got a little bit more rubber grip here around the front of the handle, and then of course this is GearWrench's new color combination that you see on a lot of their sets now. This is what they decided to go with. With the discontinued version, you used to be able to find it in the standard red and black. You could get smaller sets in green and black and orange and black and things like that, but since then they've switched basically everything to this design. Even though the handle's different, I can still say that the screwdriver set itself is a great set, especially for the price. You do get a couple of Torx drivers as well. So here's everything that's included, and the flatheads, and then the Torx is going to be T15 and T20. So if you're looking for, whether you're a DIYer or getting into the professional field, I think this is a great set. I've used this set for over 7 years and been very pleased with it, and it does come in like a little blow molded case. I haven't really moved mine from the drawer since I got it, and the case is holding up well. I don't think they have an image of the case on here. So here's an image of the case. It's the exact same case, just slightly changed in order to fit the new handle design. Keep in mind these are not in no sort of order. I just, however I saved them. But once again, for $80, I think this is a great set to consider. Next up is Klein Tools part number 85076. This is a 7-piece cushion grip screwdriver set. Keep in mind they have various different sizes. I just selected this one. It's a 7-piece set that's $50. I think that's a good price. You can get slightly larger sets, and you can get some smaller sets as well, and you can get them combination with some pliers and things like that. These are what I grew up using. This is what my dad had. He's a lineman, and he's used these for years, and I've just been very fond of this handle design. They're made in the USA. They're very good screwdrivers. They hold up very well. They're very durable. This has 5 stars at 1,021 ratings, and it says the list price is $84, and it's down to $49. You're always going to see it around that $45 to $55 price range. So even at those prices, I think it's a great price for this USA made screwdriver set. And here's all the different sizes of Phillips and flatheads. Now keep in mind, this isn't necessarily geared towards the automotive field, so you're going to have a lot more flatheads, which you don't tend to use quite as much in the automotive field as you do a Phillips head, but still a good set. It's just if you do go with this set, you may find yourself needing to pick up a few different sizes on top of this set. Here's just some of the information if you'd like to pause and read some of that information. Next up is the Tekton High Torque Black Oxide Blade screwdriver set. This is the 16-piece set. So Tekton makes a wide variety of their screwdriver sets as well, a very big variety. As you can see here, here's just a few of the different size sets and combinations that they have available. And they have a couple different handle designs. So I'm going to show you the other handle design as well up next. I just kind of count these as one. It's the same screwdrivers, the shafts are the same and everything. It's just a different handle design. So this is their high torque, and you can get this in black oxide or the chrome blades. It still has the black oxide tip, so you don't have to worry about the chrome chipping or anything on your Phillips heads or anything like that. But you can get it in both, depending on whatever your preference is. This has 5 stars at 863 ratings and is $73. Also keep in mind, when it comes to Tekton tools, you always want to compare this goes for all tools, but specifically Tekton, you always want to compare the prices here to their website, where if you have a Tekton account, which is free, you can get 10% in rewards. So you spend $100, and then next time you go to purchase something on the Tekton website, you have $10 to put towards whatever you're going to purchase. So really nice deals there. So you always want to consider the price differences and everything and see what is going to work best for your needs. But I personally really enjoy these screwdriver handles. They're some of my favorites. It was one of the first screwdriver sets where I bought that wasn't like the Klein set or the gear wrench set. It was my first like tri-lobe handle design, and when I first saw it, I really did not think it. I thought it was going to be extremely awkward, and they turned out to be some of the most comfortable screwdriver handles I've ever used. And some people have mentioned under heavy duty use and like woodworking and carpentry that they've ruined the tips. Well, with Tekton, they have an extremely easy and amazing warranty, so that is a fantastic deal with Tekton, as well as their warranty is no hassle, extremely fast. So here you can kind of see the handle design. There you can kind of see the tri-lobe design. It's very aggressive. It's a very triangular handle design, but it is extremely comfortable. Like, it fits very nicely in the hand. I know there are a few other brands out there that have similar handle designs that people don't care for those handle designs. It's personal preference. If you have arthritis or anything like that, maybe you don't have a strong grip, these will help you get the grip that you need on that fastener, whereas you might not be able to with a standard round or square handle design. So this can be very helpful for those in that situation. But these are also made in the USA. Here's everything included. So it's resistant to extreme temps, gas, fuel, oil, grease, other solvents and cleaners. Easy to read markings. There you can kind of see how the handles are designed with the shafts. Here's the material and construction. And I really like the rubber overmold on top of the red plastic. It's very durable and very comfortable. And then here you're going to see the same thing. It's the 16-piece set, but this is the hard handle design. Once again, these are also made in the USA. This is $72 and has 4.5 stars at 277 ratings. And once again, you can get this in black oxide or the chrome blades, and in various different sizes. You can get very, very large sets with the Tekton brand as well. I actually really enjoy these 4-sided hard handle design. It's very comfortable. The size of handle depends on the size of screwdriver that you're using, so it fits the screwdriver itself. There's the tips for the flathead and the Phillips, how it's inserted or molded into the handle. Just a very clean screwdriver, and I think for a USA made set and the variety of different sizes they have available, they are priced very well. And then I did want to include a set from Vera. Here's the part number. This is the Craft Form Plus. They have a wide lineup of different variations of these as well, different color options as well. And this is German company, but I do want to say these are made in the Czech Republic. Yes. I know it states it somewhere up here as well, but I'm not going to read through all of this right now. If you guys would like to pause or just check the description below underneath the tools continued link, you'll find this information. But I've heard a lot of great things. This is a set that I haven't personally used, but I know a lot of people who are very pleased with these. These have 5 stars at 1,323 ratings and is $30, down from basically $42. Now, granted, it is only a 6-piece set with the wall mount, so it's a little bit smaller than a couple of the other sets that we've looked at, but it is priced very nicely. So if you were considering, trying them out, I think for the $30 price range, you're not out a whole lot, and there's a possibility that you're really going to enjoy these screwdrivers. So here's everything included, color-coded and labeled on the top, the handle design. So these were actually one of the sets that I wanted to purchase, and when Tekton released theirs, I ended up getting theirs, and I actually really enjoyed the Tekton. But if I wouldn't have got that set, this is what I was going to go with. And here you can see it labeled up top, the sizes and the color: red for the Phillips and yellow for the flatheads. So I think for just under $30, I think it's a good option to go with if you're considering it. It's a German company. Obviously, these aren't specifically made in Germany, but still, I've heard a lot of good things about them. So if you guys have used these, please feel free to drop a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on these, or if you've went with one of their other screwdriver sets, how your experiences have been with those sets. And then last up is a screwdriver set that I've never used either, so I saved the 2 that I haven't personally used for last. Once again, these aren't in any particular order. It's just I wanted to put these last because I haven't used either one of the Wera or the Southwire sets. These are also made in the USA, and I do have a good amount of Southwire tools, and I can say that their USA made stuff has really surprised me. It's usually pretty good pricing and built very well. They also have a lot of things that aren't made in the USA, but as far as their USA made tools, I've used quite a bit of their pliers and stuff, their diagonal side cutters and multi-tool, and they've done very well, some of their strippers. So when I saw this set, I figured it was at least worth a mention. It hasn't been out too long. This has 5 stars at 17 ratings, so not rated a whole lot, but it is rated highly. This is $63. And you get 3, 4, and 6-inch shanks. It's an 8-piece set, and here you can kind of see the part number up here: Sierra Delta Sierra Echo Tango 8 US or USA. And it also has a slightly different handle design, something I haven't really seen before. I do like it. It's a little bit different. So there you can see the 8-piece set made in the USA, the sizes that you're getting. Get a little bit better image there. 22% larger cushion grip. I want to say it's more of a square / rectangle style of handle, but I do like the rubber with the plastic. It's kind of like a more square design of the Klein. So I think if you're looking for another USA made screwdriver set, there's a lot of options out there. So just in this video, we went over the Tekton, the Klein, the Southwire, and that's just a few of the USA made ones. There's a lot of others, but you can also find some good German made screwdrivers, and the gear wrench ones, those are made in Taiwan, but still a very good screwdriver set. So I think we've seen some pretty good sets here today, but I would also like your guys' input on if you've found some good screwdriver sets on Amazon that are name brand, and your experiences with them. So please let me know your guys' thoughts of my selection, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts and any other brands that you would consider for others to check out. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.